we're gonna teach you how to make an espresso shot. First, you're gonna need, of course, an espresso machine. Turn it on. And the lights here should be all turned on. So you're gonna need this one in the walls. For this one, we're gonna use a single shot espresso. This one is a dual shot espresso. So when all the light is turned on, put your coffee beans or coffee blend at the grinder. I think we're going to need 2 scoops. Here. So if I push this one, it will be automatically filtered into single or double. For this one, we're going to use single. So I'm going to push this. So it comes out automatically. Except that for some time, since I'm not using beans, it got stuck somewhere. It comes out manually. Now this is the thumper, and you're gonna thump this for 20 kilos. Then use this trimming. It's called the razor. You're going to use this by turning it like this. But I need to put it here. See? It's just right for 1 shot espresso. So we need to insert it like this, and then twist it to lock it, and then put your shot glass at the middle, then push 1 shot espresso. And it should be at the espresso range. You can see here if it's in the espresso range or not. So for some, in serving espresso shot, they want it to be more of up until here. So you can push another shot using the same coffee by clicking this one. See? You have here your espresso shot.